welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. Today we're going to do my July dividend portfolio update. And July is a pretty small month for dividends, but we'll get into that in a second. First, I want to do like I always do, take a look at what the S&P 500 is doing. You guys, this is the index that I feel gives the best all-around picture of the stock market. The Dow Jones goes up more, but it's 30 companies. All right, so let's take a look. So we're looking at 1 month. And the first thing that brings out is back there on July 19th, you guys, we had a pretty good fall there. A lot of people were considering selling. You guys don't ever consider selling. We're going to have rust patches. It's going to be like this more. If we take a look at the 5-day, well, first of all, let's see, we started at 43.43, and right now we're at 44.16. So we're up a little bit, about a little over 1.5% for the month. But if we take a look at the 5-day, you can see that even this week we've had some ups and downs. We've had a couple of down days. Yesterday at one point we were down a fair amount for the week, but we finished up, or we're almost finished up now. And you guys, it is what it is. If we look at today we had a pretty good day. It's rallying a little bit. But here's what I want you to look at. Let's take a look at year to date. Year to date, we started, remember, at 3,700, and we are at 44.16. So we are up over 700 points this year, you guys, in just 7 months. This is a thing that happens over time. We have to ignore the little ups and downs and concentrate on the end game. All right, let's get into my portfolio. In my Google Sheets, this is just a simple spreadsheet that I made to keep track of my dividends. And you can see that July was not a big month. First one I got was AGNC. That is a monthly paying REIT. Sorry about the shakiness there. Next one I got was Coca-Cola. That was $31.75, so that was a pretty good dividend. I got $7.85 from National Fuel Gas. And lastly, I got $9.83 from that's Realty Income. Again, that's another monthly paying REIT. You see the yellow columns, I have all my REITs in my tax-free because I don't want to be charged. Remember, REITs are always ordinary dividend prices. You don't get discounts for that. So best to keep those in a safe place. If we take a look at, first of all, let's take a look at my Vanguard account. We see that my brokerage is at $20,696.67. My REITs in the Roth IRA are at $8,848.23, bringing my total to $29,544.90. Moving on to Ally. At Ally, my dividend total, remember this is all brokerage there. I have about 12 individual stocks there. That total is $22,373.57. And lastly, if we take a look at my M1 for the month, M1 I have some dividend paying stocks in my Roth IRA there. That is at 81.7215, and I also have some individual stocks in my M1 brokerage account, and those total 14,177.88 for an M1 total of 22,349.43. If we go and look at the overall total for July, we see that my dividend portfolio total for July is up to $74,267.79. You guys, the thing that's beautiful about dividends is that over time they continue to grow. You reinvest it, and every time you get a dividend, it's a little bit more. Now, we do risk the risk of some companies getting rid of a dividend. Of course, there's always that danger. But it's nice to know that even as we are getting these dividends, when we take them out, for example, in retirement, we could take the dividend rather than reinvest it, and it will be given to me at a lower rate. because it's a qualified dividend. It's a way that I add to my portfolio. As you guys know, about 95% of my portfolio is in index funds and ETFs. I feel those are the easiest way for most people to get a large balance. But as I get transitioning to retirement, which I hope to do in about 3 years, if all things go to plan, I will start taking some of these dividends rather than reinvesting them and using them to spend in retirement. Anyway, you guys, just a really quick to update how it's going. I've been doing about a monthly portfolio dividend update. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor, give me that like. It really helps the algorithm. If you're not already subscribed, you know the deal. Hit the red button, ring the bell. All right, you guys, we'll see you again. Thanks.